I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No, no, no petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best.
Running already. It's the living, it's hot, hot. Running already.
No.
Kitty on my laptop, won't stop, sitting there like it's a chair on passwords, been stuck up on cats lock. Listen to me, kitten, I'm ripping and whipping this edition, tripping all the mittens without all the nipping. Goddamn, you are determined for a pussy.